Alright, it's 6:26 a.m. Season finale of Loki just came out. My prediction for this episode is that if Miss Minutes is the big bad, I'm gonna turn off the TV and go back to sleep.
I'm excited.
I just wanna see Kang. Can we see Kang, please?
He's not gonna be in this.
Let's go! Let's go! I'm so happy.
I really didn't think this was coming yet.
We just finished the episode. Oh my god. That's how you end the show. So we just finished watching the season finale of Loki. I thought it was incredible. I thought it was so good. Within the first 10 minutes, we see Kang, and that made me so happy.
I was shook. I thought maybe he'd pop up in the post-credit scene, but I was not thinking that was where this was leading us.
This is wild.
My final review on this episode, I'm going to give it 11 out of 10. I'm going to give it 11 out of 10. I loved everything they did. I love how they introduced Kang right in the beginning of the episode. And then I love the twist at the end where Mobius is like, who the fuck are you?
That was perfect.
And then Loki
he got there and Mobius didn't give him a big greeting or anything. And I was like...
We were both standing there like...
We were both like, And then I'm sitting there like, is this a variant of it? And I was thinking it was going to be just a variant of him. I didn't think it was going to be a whole nother TVA. Like, holy fuck. So for right now, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10.
I like it.
So, Tyler's gonna send the drone. Yeah, do it.
Alright. Right now their fireworks going off. We're gonna fly past Pathfinder. Hopefully he doesn't get hit.
Oh,
Oh my god! Shit!
that's sick.
Alright, we're at the fair now. What is this? So you can't touch the metal.
Right. Turn it sideways, go around the corner.
Whoa.
Flashing light means you get anything in here.
I feel like from his angle, it's easier.
Okay, first of all, there's no angles on the circle.
That's all you. That's all you. Yeah, practice. Yep, Yep. Talk to me. That doesn't help.
I'm gonna do it really fast.
Go for it. Just go for it. Oh, you have the audience. Alright, just go for it.
When it comes back around.
You're right there.
Oh! That was fun. Thank you.
This is so easy, it ain't funny.
No way.
Okay, so our problem right now is that they closed in 13 minutes and we just bought our tickets.
Refuse to leave.
No, yeah, we're not gonna leave. We're gonna ride every single ride.